Firstly, let's have a look at hookah. A hookah is an instrument containing a water pipe which is used to smoke tobacco or flavored tobacco through cool water. The tobacco or flavored tobacco is heated in the bowl at the top of the hookah and the smoke is filtered through the water in the base of the hookah. Now let's jump into our main topic, myths and truths about hookah. Myth number 1. Hookah smoke is filtered through water, so it filters out harmful chemicals. But the truth is, smoking tobacco through water does not filter out cancer-causing chemicals. Water filter smoke can damage the lungs and heart as much as cigarette smoke. Myth number 2. Smoking a hookah is not as addictive as smoking a cigarette because there is no nicotine. Just like regular tobacco, shisha contains nicotine. Shisha is the flavored tobacco and it is available in different flavors including apple, strawberry and mint. In fact, in a 60-minute hookah session, smokers are exposed to 100 to 200 times the volume of smoke inhaled from a single cigarette. Myth number 3. Smoking hookahs are healthier than smoking cigarettes. Hookah smoke is just as dangerous as cigarette smoke. Cigarette smoke is generated by burning tobacco, while hookah smoke is produced by heating tobacco or flavored tobacco in a bowl using charcoal. But the end product is the same, that is smoke, which contains cancer-causing chemicals. Myth number 4. Shisha tobacco contains fruit, so it is healthier than regular tobacco. But the fact is, tobacco is tobacco, no matter what. Shisha, the flavored tobacco, is mixed with fruit, but it still contains cancer-causing chemicals and nicotine. Myth number 5. Inhaling hookah smoke doesn't burn the lungs, so it is not unhealthy. The hookah smoke doesn't burn the lungs when you inhale because it is cooled through the water available in the base of the hookah. Even though the smoke is cooled, it still contains carcinogens and it is still unhealthy. Finally, the longer the hookah session, the more nicotine and toxins one takes in. A 45 to 60 minute hookah session can expose the smoker to approximately the same amount of nicotine as one pack of cigarettes. Also, sharing the mouthpieces without washing them can increase the risk of spreading colds, flu, and infections.